Pinakamaling mindset din na nakikita ko is being jack of all trades. I've seen people that were successful in the industry that they are, pero na-blind sa new opportunities. But most of the time, they're threats. Paano mo lalabanan ang taong nakafocus? Ikaw, pumasok ka sa industry ko ng watches. Today, ka pumasok. Pare, you can beat me. And a lot of people have that mistake, is running after money. In success, money will follow. You have to do what you're good at. You have to do what you love and you're passionate about. Ngayon, pag nakatikim na ako ng success, hindi na ganun kasarap.
Bakit?
Kasi alam kong pwedeng mawala ulit sa akin.
Okay.
Even right now, kahit ako na andito, takot ako. Natatakot ako doon. Everything in a glimpse of an eye, all na napaghirapan ko, pwedeng mawala mo. And guess what? If that happens, I won't stop.
Kasi marami nakikita yung success mo eh. Pero hindi nila nakikita when you're alone. Sinong kinakausap mo? Sinong tinatakbuhan mo?
Honestly, sa tinatakbuhan, wala eh.
Ano yung pinaka sigurong maling mindset ng isang tao pagdating sa pera?
Money is everything.